Here in Michigan, Mother Nature is our neighbor. She holds power, strength, freedom, and grace. She's the rhythm of rain on your new roof, the color of fall leaves across your deck, the warmth of sunlight spilling across your patio, and the quiet peace of a soft fallen snow admired from the comfort of your new sunroom. At Montell Construction, we don't build against nature, we build with her, strong enough to stand the test of time, designed to feel like she was part of the plan all along. Because in Michigan, life doesn't just happen indoors. It happens out here, where moments become memories. Montell Construction, built for the seasons, built for Michigan, built for life.